What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to a brand new diecast video. So today we're gonna focus on some Hot Wheels that I found in the wild today, and the next video we're gonna do Matchbox mainlines because my girlfriend found a whole bunch for me on the pegs and she brought them over to surprise me with, so I'm super stoked on that. We're gonna do that one next time though, because I gotta crack open these Hot Wheels because I actually found some Forza cars on the pegs. I got 3 out of the 5. They didn't have, well, you'll see here in a sec. But I also got 2 other pretty random Hot Wheels that they just kind of had lying around. So let's go ahead and crack those open. Let's start with this one. Now, I'm not sure what this set is called. Someone told me it was like the convertible set or something like that. Let me see if it says anything like that on the back. Well, it doesn't say, but clearly they're all convertibles. There you go. So maybe it's like a drop top set or something like that. But anyway, you know, Corvettes are always fun to collect, so I picked this one up. And black is really hard to film, as you guys know. Got a nice gray interior. Some chromy PR5s. We got some headlight detail, and the Corvette emblem looks really nice on this one. Cool. No tails, but no biggie. Black plastic base. And overall, not a bad little casting. All right, let's put that one right there. And the other one that I thought was kind of quirky and unusual was this Camaro, 18 Camaro SS, which is actually one of my dream cars. I'm like just debating if I should pull the trigger or not, but you know, we'll get there when we get there. And I'm pretty sure I have that 911, and that's it, I think, as far as that set. I don't think I have the Camaro already. I'm looking at my shelf. And no, I do not. Okay, cool. So we can go ahead and crack it open. Yeah, we have a lot of Hot Wheels, as I'm sure a lot of you guys know. Sometimes you forget what you have, what you don't have. So every now and then you gotta double check. But anyway, here's that really nice looking SS Camaro. Really like those wheels with that crazy little aqua lip. Definitely wouldn't mind a little bit more detail on these, but you know, for $1.25, what can you ask for? Really great little car. Love this one. I mean, overall it looks nice. I just wouldn't mind a little bit of details on the headlights and the bow tie. Maybe a little SS logo back there. But I do love this car in real life. That's a great one. All right, so now let's check out those Forzas. Let's see, any particular order? Yeah, let's start with this one. We got us a Shelby GT350. And these have some really nice looking cards. Really, really nice looking cards. But, you know, I don't really collect cards. I collect die-casts. So let's go ahead and crack it open and let's check it out. Well, I guess that's not entirely true. Like, if I get, like, an older vehicle, it has a nice card, sometimes I'll keep it in there. But we got some gunmetal 10 spokes, some Forza Tempo, Xbox, even though I'm a PlayStation guy. I don't play video games anymore, but I've just always been loyal to the PlayStation. Oh, this is like a, oh, it's like a flat satin white with glossy tampos. That looks really nice. Well, these GT500s are pretty nasty. They're really sick in real life. I wish it had some details, though. No headlights, no taillights. I didn't look at it that carefully. I just assumed it would. I don't even remember what they cost. I think they were $1.25 or something. So, no biggie. Let's see. Next one up. A gorgeous Land Rover Defender Double Cab. Love these Land Rovers. These are so sick. Way underrated, in my opinion. And that Forza Tempo just looks really nice. I like the theme. I think they look pretty darn nice. That white, gray, black, and that like off grayish blue. Very, very nice looking. Got a snorkel on this casting, side view mirrors. The black plastic base makes up the axles and the grille, headlights, and the winch. Black truck bed there. And yeah, this is a really fun casting. I like this one. I like to see this in a premium. If there exists a premium in this casting I'm not aware of, please leave it in the comments so I can find it and buy it. And of course it has got those bead lockers, which are awesome. And last up, my favorite. You guys know that I am a Honda Acura nut, so the NSX was a no-brainer. Gorgeous. Pretty awesome. Oh, so in conclusion, I did not get the Porsche or the Audi. The Audi was there. I just didn't really care for it that much. I mean, it's fine. I just didn't, you know, I only buy what I like. I don't like to complete shit. But if that was there, I would have got it, but it was not. Anywho, let's set this one free. Let's have a look-see. All right, there we go. Nice. Beautiful NSX. Wow. Oh, a little bit of paint loss up there. Yeah. No biggie though. Yeah, none of these really seem to have any details. I mean, you can make out the Acura A and the taillight shape, really nice. Same with the headlights and the front Acura A. I mean, the details are there, they're just not painted, unfortunately. But all in all, I can't complain. I think that was a really nice little set, and I hope to find the Porsche in the very near future. But alright, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me. Like I said, I have some Matchbox stuff coming up in the next video, and honestly, I have a big pile of die-cast I just need to open. I've just been so busy. But yeah, if you're new here, my name is J-Dog, and I post die-cast videos about 2 or 3 times a week. And if you collect little cars like I do, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. And I'll catch you dudes next time.